Hello and welcome to BoardgameNinja. This is a quick rules explainer for the gang. Everything you need to start playing in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. In the gang, you and your crew are attempting a bank heist. Your goal is simple. Crack the safe 3 times before you trip the alarm 3 times. Do that and you all win together. Mess it up and, well, let's just say you won't be splitting any loot. The game uses standard poker rules, specifically Texas Hold'em. It's played with a regular deck of cards. So if you've ever bluffed your way through a poker night, you're already halfway there. Each heist is played over 4 rounds. The twist: you're not allowed to talk about your hand. Communication is strictly limited to these colored chips, numbered 1 to 6. White chips are used in the first round, then yellow, orange, and finally red in the last round. At the start, each player receives 2 cards. Keep them secret. In the first round, you're judging your hand based only on those 2 cards. How good is it compared to everyone else? Think it's amazing? Grab a 6. Think it's garbage? Welcome to the 1. Players take chips from the center or even from each other, silently negotiating until everyone has exactly 1 chip. The moment that happens, the round ends. In the second round, 3 cards are revealed on the table. Now you're building a proper poker hand using your 2 cards and these shared cards. Reassess your strength. Pick a yellow chip and again swap until everyone has 1. Still no talking and no sliding chips directly to other players. Everything goes through the middle. The third and fourth rounds add 1 more card each to the table, bringing the total to 5. Each time, you reassess your best possible 5-card combination and claim a chip, using orange in round 3 and red in round 4. By now, you should have a pretty strong feeling or a growing sense of dread. Then comes the moment of truth. Starting with the lowest red chip and working your way up, each player reveals their hand. Every hand must be equal to or stronger than the one before it. If that's the case all the way to the top, congratulations, you've cracked the safe. If not, you've tripped the alarm. For each successful round, flip a safe card. Make a mistake, flip an alarm card instead. Win 3 safes and the gang celebrates. Trigger 3 alarms and it's game over. After each successful heist, the game gets tougher. You'll draw a challenge card that adds new restrictions, usually limiting the information you can rely on, because clearly this wasn't stressful enough already. If you fail, help arrives in the form of a specialist. These cards give you a small advantage, and the group decides which player shares information. Even criminals need a little support sometimes. One small exception: if 2 players reveal hands of exactly the same value, they don't need to be higher or lower than each other, but they still need to fit correctly within the overall order. And that's the gang. A cooperative poker heist that's all about judging your hand and reading the table. You're ready to start playing. Subscribe if you'd like to see more quick explainers like this. Good luck and game on!